all new working codes in Volleyball Legends Wizards game mode. So I'm actually gonna be redeeming every single working code in Volleyball Legends right now, and don't miss out on any of these codes because these codes will give you a lot of free spins as well as some free cash, some free mythicals. Let's actually go and redeem every single code from this latest and greatest update that they've actually dropped. The first code is going to be update underscore 16. So this is the first code I should redeem, update 16. This will give you a bunch of lucky spins, and I think I've already redeemed it. I might have forgotten this one. The next code is going to be the C3 code, okay? C underscore 3, C underscore 3, season 3. Season 3 code, 5 lucky style spins again. We get the potions code, silly underscore potions. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Also guys, if you would like to have yourself an extra slot in the styles or the spins, make sure you guys actually type in the chat wizards, type in wizards in the comments down below and you'll be entered to win yourself a extra slot in Volleyball Legends. Let's actually go ahead and type in the next code. Is going to be favorites 1.5 million underscore favorites, 1.5 million favorites. That is insane. Okay, bang, lucky spins, more lucky spins, and we got the next code, update underscore 15. Don't miss out on any of these codes because you can actually get yourself a bunch of free lucky spins and some free cash by redeeming every single one of these codes. Code expired. Okay, this one's already expired, which is kind of sad. There is a wizard bundle with these cool cosmetics, but we have another secret code from the Volleyball Legends because they are releasing a lot of secret codes in their Discord, on their social media. Do not miss out on any of these codes because you will not get all the rewards. Let's see, 50 lucky spins. Silly potions, so we got that one. Season 3, we got that one. Alright guys, make sure you guys actually like the video and subscribe. And I see you in the next video guys. Watch my next video right now.